I just got back from a trip, and I was in Charleston, South Carolina, and I ran into this cute little scrapbook shop. And while we were there, I looked through some of their things and bought some papers from them. They are absolutely adorable, this cute little couple. Magnolia's Scrapbook Shop. I'll leave a information also in my description below. So click on the more thing button and you can find the information there. But if you're ever in the South Carolina, North Charleston area, please stop in to Magnolia's Scrapbook Shop. They are just the cutest people. Such a nice man who helped me out, and they've got all the latest Graphic 45 and Photo Play and Echo Park and Cartabella. They had all kinds of things there. It was a wonderful little shop. I think you can also order online from them. I always like to keep my local scrapbook shops in business. So if you go out online, their website is www.magnoliasScrapbookShop.com. And again, I'll leave a link in the description below. But anyway, I found this absolutely adorable Photo Play. This was from their Birds of a Feather collection. I think it was last year, but I found these papers and just absolutely fell in love with them and said these are screaming to be a fun card. And so I want to send a card to a friend of mine, and I thought I would go ahead and cut this paper up and make as many cards as we can. So I bought the cut aparts page, along with this is on their back, and then I bought this absolutely adorable toucans. I'm so in love with this, guys. And they've got the black polka dot on the back, and then this kind of a leafy pattern. The colors are just so vibrant and bright. This is on the back. It's a teal color. And then these trees, absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. I'm falling in love with these. And then the green on the back. So I thought we could make a few cards together. So I'm going to use the cut aparts as my front for my cards. And I definitely want to use this one. I want to use this one. I want to use this one. This one, this one, this one. So let's go ahead and cut them up. I think the only ones that I'm not going to use is this one here. So let's cut them up, and I'm going to need 2 5x7 cards, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 A2 cards. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my card bases together. And I'm using just plain white cardstock that I got from Michael's. So I'm going to cut this down to 10 inches by 7. And I'm going to do a second one, 10 by 7. I want to apologize for my first several videos. These next ones I'm just going to cut in half at 5 1/2. I want to apologize for my first videos. I had no idea that they were blurry until someone alerted me to that. It was an uploading situation. I cannot fix those blurry videos, but I now know how to make sure that that does not happen again with any of my future videos. So please, in the comments, if you see that my videos are blurry, please let me know that so that I can fix it. while we're doing this, go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you like the things that I'm doing so far. And if you want to see more of my card making and scrapbooking in the future, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell button, and then you'll get notifications for any time that I upload any new videos. Also hit the like button if you don't mind. That helps me out a ton and lets me know what videos you like, what kinds of videos you like, and what kinds of videos you are not excited about, so that I can make more of the videos that you like. And if you want to see any specific videos, then let me know that also. Put that in the comments. Say, hey, I want to see more of this, or I want to see this kind of thing. I've been scrapbooking for probably a little over, at least 25 years. So I've been around the block, so to say. And I'm always excited to learn new skills as well. All right, just a few more. There we go. It's just a little bit of white there. Let's see if I can't trim that off. There we go. All right, I'm going to move these around. I'm going to save these extras. I might stamp on them later. Maybe not in this video, but maybe later. Okay, this was the one that I said that I was not going to use, so I'm going to set that aside. I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one's got a little extra color on there too. All right. 1, 2 for my two 5x7s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for my little ones. All right, for my 5x7s, let's pull those back out. I have this one here. Let's put this right here, and I need to come up with some paper to back this a little bit. I think these front sides are going to be a little bit too busy for these here. I really want this to be the focal point, so let's flip it over to the back. I could definitely do that one. This one here on the green, and then this, yes you can. I really like that with this back here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 pieces of, I'm going to cut, let's see, we're going to do 4.5 by 6.5. And I'm going to go ahead and just, let's do 6.5. That one didn't go all the way through. Well, that's no fun. Let's try again. There it goes. And I need a piece of 4.5 for each of these. Set that aside. And 4.5 here. Just want to make sure that was right. Okay, so let's set that aside for right now. That looks like a lot of fun. And then this one on here, I think that's a lot of fun too. Now I'm going to go ahead and and put a little bit of border on these. Hold on, I'll let you see. I'm going to ink up the edges. I'm going to do this one in green. Just to give it a little bit of definition. You can't really see it, but I don't know, can you? You can't really see it, but there's just a really thin green line all the way around. I think it'll make it blend into the background just a little bit. And let's ink this one up with let's do Star Spangled Banner. These are old colors, ancient old, close to my heart colors. Yep. Just give it a little bit of an edge. There we go. I am super sad that that company is closing down. Perfect. All right, I just want these cards to be really, really super simple. So let's go ahead and put these on some card bases. And before I do that, I need to go ahead and score my card bases so that I can fold them. Now these are 7 by 10, so I'm going to score them at 5. Okay. Does anybody else have a problem with their scoring board where it's exactly at 10 and I'm going to score exactly at 5, but when I go to fold it, it's always like an 1/8 of an inch off. Not even an 1/8, it's like a 1/16 of an inch off. One side is always going to be, well, now see, I talked about it and that one worked out perfect. But yeah, it always seems just a little bit shy. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if somebody tells me in the comments what I did wrong, that would be great. All right, let's move this out of the way. I am loving these bright colors. They just make me so nice and happy. Okay. That is so cute, isn't it? All right, let's do the other one. Using art glitter glue. All right. we go. Let's see. These would be really cute. Maybe to go in the inside also. This would be a nice sentiment for this. And this one, let's see. I like this one. Let's put this one on the inside. And we'll put this one, be bright, be brave, be you. Yes, you can. I think that's a great sentiment for the inside there. And then this one here, you are one of my favorite humans, for the there's always that one friend. So yeah, so I think I'd like to put a little border on this and put this inside the cards. So let's get that paper back out. I move these on the side. Now I could certainly do the same here. I think I might do that, but let's pull out the rest of the papers. That's kind of cute. Let me see what else I have here. I have this one. I think that would fight against the green. And I don't think that the trees would do much for it here on the outside. So let's do the black. All right, these measure at 4 by 5, so I'm going to need a piece 4.5 by 5.5. Set those aside. Let's do 4.5. And then we'll do 5.5. Is that right? 4 by 5. Just seems really big. I just need... Did I measure that wrong? Oh, I did. It is 4 by 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's perfect. 4.5, and then we'll do 3.5. Perfect. And then 4.5 by 3.5. Excellent. All right, I'm gonna move this away. I have just a little bit of white. I don't know if you can see that on this edge in here. So I'm just gonna clean that up real quick. Whew, ever so little. And I think the other one's pretty good. Okay, this is a case of letting the paper definitely do the work for you. Using the cut aparts for both the outside and the inside. I love that. That's great. All right, let's put the other one together. Okay. Okay, 2 cards. Those are done. Let's move on to the smaller ones. I'm going to tuck these right underneath of my cutting board so that they can lie flat while they dry. Okay, I have Come On Get Happy. This is the good stuff. Every little thing is going to be all right. I think I'm going to use Spread Your Wings. I don't think I'm going to use this You're My Best Friend. And this is the papers I have left. I have these here. Which I think I love this, and I think I'd like to fussy cut him and put him over here with this one, and then maybe fussy cut another one and put it with this one, either that or put it inside. So we've got that. I definitely want to fussy cut this little guy and stick him on. All right, let's see the rest of the papers I have. I've got this here, these trees. And then this, and I think this looks really nice and feathery. I think that's really pretty. So maybe we'll just do a quick and easy with this, and then we'll fussy cut this little guy out and put him here. And then with these two, I would love to use, maybe I'll fussy cut a tree or two also, and put those with these. But I think I'm going to put this as a background on here, and then the Come On Get Happy, I think I'm going to use this, and maybe I'll offset it just a little bit so that it's not completely, so it's a little different. All right, let's put some music on, and I'll go ahead and get these going, and we'll speed it up just a little bit, and we'll come back in just a second. keep that. So let's take a look at our cards. I have these two 5x7 cards. Yes, you can. Be bright, be brave, be you. I love this card. There's always that one friend. We all know that one friend. You are one of my favorite humans. I love this. And then we have these four. This is good stuff. You saw me fussy cut this, and then I actually put a border around him because when I put him on here, the white, he just kind of blended in. So I felt like he needed a little bit of a border, and I think he looks pretty good. And then on the inside, I made these two banners and then crossed them and then cut off the edges. And I've got a little circle punch here with the little tree. I wish that I had a circle punch. My circle punch here is 1.5 inches, and I really need a 2-inch punch. I had bought what I thought was the next size up, but it was not. It was a 2.5, so that didn't work out for me. But I love this card. Come on, get happy. A little bit different. The little border inside. This little guy, he's so cute. Spread your wings. And here he is. I like him too. And then every little thing is going to be all right. Every little thing. And I put in this 2.5-inch circle, but then I offset it just a little bit and then cut off the edges just so it was kind of hanging off the edge. I kind of like that idea. And the little trees hanging in there. You can kind of see those trees little singing a little song. All right, these are great. These are going in my stash. I'm going to send a couple of these out this week to friends just to say hello. And then I am definitely sending this one out because I absolutely love this. And then I'm going to save this one for when a friend needs a little bit of encouragement. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do that for me. I love every single bit of my subscribers and would like to get to I think it's 20 by the end of this month. So if you wouldn't mind, hit that little subscribe button and let's get us a little closer to 20. All right. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.